are Cheerio bars, and guess what? There's only 3 ingredients: peanut butter, honey, and Cheerios. Make sure to wash your hands before doing anything. Come on and join us while we get started. Now that we have washed our hands, let's pour the ingredients inside the bowl. Make sure to spray Pam on the spatula so the ingredients cannot stick to this spatula.
Let's pour a half a cup of honey inside the bowl.
This is a 3/4 of a cup. The Cheerios will go in after we stir it in a few minutes. Let's stir around and around. Your turn. The Cheerios are 3 cups. Sure enough, goes in there. mix well. After we mix it, it's going in. After we stir this, it's going in an 8x8 pan. Let's stir it round and round very well so it can look good and it can look good.
And
after
you finish, you stick it in the
refrigerator for 1 hour. Let's stir it round and round. Make sure you have your wax paper in the pan. Let's get started. Let's take a big scoop, put it in the 8x8 pan.
Whoa. This is delicious.
Let's take a big scoop. Make sure you spray your hands with Pam. Now let's push it down with our fingers. Push it good
I can't wait to eat this.
and well. Push it good down with your fingers. Good. Push it all the way down. Push it down. All the way down. All the way down. Now let's put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now the peanut butter Cheerio bar is ready to eat. Let's taste it and see how we did on the peanut butter Cheerio bar. This Cheerio bar is good. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Like, share,